Hello friends and welcome to my video. Today I want to talk in great details about Midjourney AI. There are a lot of new users this year who are interested in AI art. Also there are people from my country who are interested in Midjourney and have requested me to make a detailed video because they are having difficulty to understand Midjourney and AI art generation. Also, there have been some updates to Midjourney, and there are some new tips and tricks which we can all follow and learn or refresh our mind so that our AI image generations become better. A lot of people who are using Midjourney for the very first time only have the 25 generations in their pockets, which comes free from Midjourney. So the objective of this video or the series of video is to make sure that they use their 25 generations, the free 25 generations that they have, in a manner that they're happy with what they have created instead of wasting them away. I would like to cover the details of Midjourney in very simplistic terms, so people who are expert users of Midjourney might find this video very boring, or they might find something new hopefully. Now, I would not call myself an expert of creating the most beautiful images, but I have been using Midjourney and Stable Diffusion for a few months now, and my interests have mainly been on the technical aspects of Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, which is why I'll be making this video from the purely technical aspects, but perhaps this series of videos can go into image creation and various techniques of creating really good image generation, even though you are completely a newbie or someone who have never done any kind of AI image art in their life. Now, quite simply, the first question is, what is AI art? In my opinion, AI art is any kind of graphic imagery, picture or illustration that is created using or harnessing the power of artificial intelligence which resides in our computers. So we are very clear on what is Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, DALI. So let's dive into Midjourney and see what it's all about. So in order to use Midjourney, you have to enter Discord. You enter Discord by opening your browser and typing in discord.com. Discord.com is this website that you can consider to be somewhat similar to WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, except it is a much more focused software or app for chatting and discussion. When you use Facebook Messenger, it's really an offshoot of Facebook which facilitates you chatting with your friend. Same in WhatsApp. But with Discord, it only focuses on chatting, or what we can say is discussion, and it has a lot of tools that help you with that. Discord is a platform that makes it easy. So লক্ষ লক্ষ লোক যারা কিনা হচ্ছে কোনো একটা কমন টপিক নিয়ে ডিসকাস করতে চায়, so if you want to start on Midjourney, of course you know that uh, you have to apply to Midjourney. The way to apply to Midjourney, if you've never used Midjourney, is you go to midjourney.com and you click here, join the beta. And when you're accepted to join the beta, you will be asked to join Midjourney. And when you get accepted into the beta program, Midjourney will send you an email, and through that email, you can join Midjourney's Discord channel. And in that Discord channel, you can do image generation or you can learn about various informations or announcements by Midjourney. I have already joined, of course, and I'm already a paid member. So let's enter my Midjourney Discord channel. So I'm opening Discord in my browser, but it is also possible to download this app and use Discord as a kind of a standalone app in your Windows PC and also in your Mac OS operating system. So as you can see, I have not just Midjourney, but I have many other channels, many other chats and discussions that I'm part of, and they are all going to be here on the left side. So I'm not only in Midjourney, but I'm also in the Stable Diffusion discussion group. I am in Blue Willow, and also I have my own channel. So you can have your own channel, and you can actually invite the Midjourney bot in your channel, which I have done, which I'll show you how to do. It's probably one of the much a bit more advanced topics, but today we're just going to show how you can get inside of Midjourney, inside Discord, and start tinkering and playing around. So anyways, I am in my Discord page, the page that you will most likely to see, just like I am seeing. And when you click Midjourney, you will enter the Midjourney channel. And when you enter the Midjourney channel, you will see that just beside this there are lots of other discussion. There are lots of other sort of sub channels, I would say. I don't know what they are called in Discord terminology. And in some of them, you can learn the rules. For example, there is this rules sub channel, and then there is this announcements where you can only get announcements, but you can't really chat with anyone or anything. And then there are these hashtag sub channels which are like for newbies, or there are like different kinds of sub channels where you showcase your work, and all kinds of different thematic sub channels. So inside Midjourney, you create your images. In If you're a newcomer, that is, you have to join one of these rooms, newcomer rooms, and there are many newcomer rooms. So all you need to do is join one of the rooms and make sure that you bookmark that channel, so that every time you go in, you remember which channel you used in order to create a generation, so that you can follow your own generations. Not only that, it's not necessary that you will have to stay only in the channel that you have chosen. You can actually go to any of the channels, sub channels, and then you can see what the others are doing. So some of these sub channels will show you the prompt, and some of them will not. The ones that are showing you the prompt are the ones where people are trying their drawings, and the ones where there are no prompts are people are simply showcasing their work. Now let's learn a very fundamental thing about Midjourney, which is prompts. What is prompt? So if you want Midjourney to draw you an art or create an art for you, you have to tell Midjourney what you want to see or what you want Midjourney to create. That line of sentence or that phrase that you give to Midjourney is what we call prompt. And whatever things that you say in your prompt, in whatever order, and whatever things that you refer to are very important, because any change in the combination of those wordings might create a drastically different image. So for example, let's look at this image. This is a very simple prompt. It says that the prompt is clothes shop. So whoever drew this or whoever created this image simply asked Midjourney to create a clothes shop, and Midjourney created this clothes shop. And in the previous image, we can see that we have Superman and Goku in a fighting pose, and the prompt was that Superman versus Goku in HD. We see that someone has asked Midjourney to create a high detail logo for a royal pet shop. So, what Midjourney has done is it has created a logo on its own. If you join a channel where there are like other people's prompting, and if you browse through the previous prompts in this channel, you will find that there are different kinds of image, and different kinds of prompts have created different kinds of image. And I'd say that before you start making your own prompt, especially if you're a free user and you only have 25 generations, do not straight go into generating an image, but rather scroll up and see what kind of images that the others might have drawn or others might have prompted. And which is why you will see, if you browse this kind of channel, you will see that people are changing their prompts again and again with slight variations until they arrive at the prompt that until they arrive at the image that they have wanted from MJ in the first place. So it takes a lot of tries, which is why I say that the 25 generations that MJ gives are actually not enough, and you will actually need more. And it's not a bad idea to subscribe with a $30 subscription or a $10 subscription in order to really understand and grasp the image generation capabilities and the techniques involved with Midjourney. However, if you don't want to or you cannot, then you can follow different various other style guides and various YouTube channels which tell you what kind of prompts you need to do in order to get the kind of images that you want. And also you have my series of videos where I'll be explaining how to craft a decent or a good enough prompt that will give you near about what you want. But আপনারা মিডজার্নির কাছ থেকে এতটা এক্সপেক্ট করেন না যে আপনারা যাই বলবেন এক্স্যাক্টলি তাই দেখাবে। এটা এআই আফটার অল, এবং আপনাকে বোঝার চেষ্টা করছে। সো আপনারা দেখবেন যে অনেকেই হচ্ছে গিয়ে ঘুরিয়ে ফিরে একটু ওয়ার্ডিং চেঞ্জ করে বারবার প্রম্পট করছে, এবং তাদের যেরকম ইমেজ দরকার সেরকম ইমেজে না আসা পর্যন্ত প্রম্পট করেই যাচ্ছে। এখন ভাই যাই, লেটস গো টু দ্য মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং, how to do your prompt. You will see that it gives you a list of various common prompts. So the most common prompt and the one that most people use to create image, and I do and everyone does, is slash imagine. So you write slash imagine and press tab, and then inside the prompt you write your prompt. Let's say I want to write a prompt. So let's say I want to have an image of a boat on a river or a lake. Let's write a small boat in a in a quiet river. Let's add a few more things to it to make it much more detailed. So I've tried to explain a scene to the best of my ability, and let's see what Midjourney comes up with. So we're going to go into details of prompting later in the series of videos about Midjourney, but today I'm just going to show you one prompt only, just to give you an idea of how prompting works. So let's press enter. So I have entered my prompt, and you need to scroll down to see my prompt should be in the very bottom. So one thing I need to tell you is that there are a lot of people in every channel who are writing prompts. Put my prompt while I was much above, like when I scrolled up. I should have really scrolled down to the bottom. That would have been easier. But anyways, I can always scroll down. There. My image generation is complete. Okay, so by scrolling up, I have found so this is the difficult part actually. This is the part that I have the most complaint about. Your rendering gets lost amidst the thousands of other images that are being rendered. So you have to keep scrolling down and down and down, and you will find your image in a shaded box like I have found. So you have to be careful when you are scrolling down, because it will be in one of those shaded boxes. I like the generation. It's very idyllic. It's very simple, and it's beautiful. Nevertheless, what it understood from what I wanted to say, it was able to create. It created the moon in the sky, and it's overall a very beautiful image. And it's giving me four images. When you ask Midjourney to render something for you, it will give you four options, and then you can choose one of the actions and create a variation, or you can upscale the image that you like if you do like. So I'm not going to go into details in this video. I'm going to stop this video for today, because today was about giving you a basic primer. In the next video, I'm going to go a bit more into details of image generation and look at the various settings that you have in Midjourney. So this is it for today. Stay with me. I'll try to create the next video in the next day or two, so that you don't get lost amongst all the videos that you get. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.